the international organization inspiring students around the world, one competition at a time.
HOSA.
In difficult times like these, HOSA has managed to provide motivation for student leadership, innovation, and career development.
HOSA.
As some prospective healthcare workers may have become dispirited, HOSA members have thrived through HOSA's outlet for innovation.
HOSA.
By facilitating cooperation among driven and like-minded students, HOSA allows them to learn a teamwork discipline that is essential to have in the professional industry of healthcare.
This is HOSA.
How is HOSA helping shape the future generation of health professionals?
This year has been especially difficult for families and healthcare workers alike. Some grieved in order to cope with their loss, whereas others had to hide their grief to help prevent more losses. Nevertheless, the courage of our healthcare workers has inspired and enlightened students like us for generations to come.
It is easy to care for someone you love, yes, but it's the job of a healthcare professional to care for every stranger with just as much compassion. The development of such sensitivity is much needed in a troubled world like ours.
HOSA is not just about competition, it's about building character among aspiring medical professionals.
But even so, HOSA does not limit its outreach to only those who intend to practice in the medical field. The skills learned while practicing in this association is crucial for any career, such as leadership service, teamwork, and most of all, gaining a sense of incentive.
Many teenagers lack the direction needed in their lives and are unable to become familiar with their interests. However, HOSA's method and unique execution of their vision helps prepare students with building SEL skills and identifying their true passion.
We are HOSA.
How is HOSA making a difference in the global health community?
By preparing students like us, HOSA is in truly preparing the future generations of doctors and physicians to become the trailblazers of history. We learn, we lead, we serve, we innovate, and we inspire.
But not only that, our advisors, alumni, everyone a part of HOSA is empowered to make a difference. Our advisors take time out of their hectic schedules to organize presentations and events, such as bringing in guest speakers and professionals, taking us on hospital visits, helping us organize blood drives, conducting research so that we may have all the resources and tools necessary at the tips of our hands, which create the best learning environment. Today, we develop an understanding on healthcare issues, environmental concerns, and survival needs of our community, our nation, and even the world.
By encouraging us to take incentive, such as organizing blood drives, we don't only help hundreds of patients in need, but also learn about the importance of giving and standing up for each other as a community.
Alumni never forget the impact that HOSA has had in lives, helping them shape the direction of their future. The global health community is faced with challenges every day, and the practitioners and consumers of medicine depend on each other. HOSA trains the practitioner and educates the consumers to take action where it is needed.
Each year, we create a public service announcement, along with informing others whether that be on the dangers of unhealthy lifestyles, smoking, stop the bleed, etc. We subconsciously start enacting change within ourselves first. HOSA inspires not only its members to be better, but it also takes responsibility for shaping an entire global health community by expanding the definition of healthcare to ensure a sense of moral satisfaction, a satisfaction that helps us realize what true humanity is.
This is the future of HOSA.